Hey, it's Billy.
And it's Pat.
And it's Throwback Thursday.
Throwback Thursday is when we share our embarrassing photos with you.
And it's our favorite hashtag. I don't know. Let me go first. This is from my 16th birthday in the year 1999.
Aww, look at you.
Look at me in my huge oversized plaid shirt.
That is a big
and my huge oversized eyebrows.
Yes, those are some very large eyebrows, which you still have now, but those seem like those were your eyebrows in their natural state.
That was definitely the time where I may or may not have shaved with a razor straight down the middle to create a space between my eyes. So this was, this was leading up to that moment.
Okay, I could see how you may have the panic. I mean, we've all been there. I definitely played with my eyebrows a little too much from time to time. Now I think they're fine. Yours too.
I think it's funny because right now there's a lot of stuff in the news about people who are having hair transplants back to their eyebrows because they're all like those people from the millennium who had the thin eyebrows, and guys included did that, and now their eyebrows won't grow back. So
dang, you could be like an eyebrow donor.
I know.
Be so rich.
Yeah. My sister is the one that, she may not realize this, made me shave it because she called me McDonald's arch. Because I had like the hem there.
That's a good burn.
Yeah, she did. Nicole. She knew how to, you know.
That's what siblings are for.
Yeah, siblings are good at that. So I went and came down to dinner, like right after she said it, and sat at the table with a shaved down the middle
like just
eyebrows.
a big space down
and I
the
remember
middle?
my dad looking at me and being like, what's going on with your eyebrows there? And I was like, nothing, what are you talking about? So basically, like, those eyebrows were suddenly not like that anymore, and it was very noticeable.
Oh my gosh.
Also, I had a chain necklace on. I still have it.
So my Throwback Thursday is from a kind of a similar time. This is my 11th grade yearbook photo. We kind of look alike.
We kind of do.
16-year-old Billy and 17-year-old Pat, which I guess would have been the same year because I'm a year older than you.
Yeah.
We look kind of similar. I also suffer from very large eyebrows. Not quite as large as yours, but
connected.
This was my school photo, and I remember I always want to wear something cool in my school photo. It's like, no, kids, if you don't know this already, just wear what you always wear. Just don't try to mix up your style or wear something that's not you in your school photos or really just anywhere, but just be yourself, because like I never wore a tech vest in my life. Remember how cool tech vests were?
Yeah.
In high school?
Old Navy.
Oh my gosh.
Performance fleece.
Performance fleece, yeah, exactly. So I had this tech vest.
Old Navy performance fleece.
It was not performing here. And I wore like a giant red t-shirt and this performance fleece because I thought it would look really cool. Very in sync.
I know what you're missing.
Puka shell necklace.
No. That didn't happen. The chain necklace, the little silver necklace thing.
No, that was not really a thing where I lived. Sorry, Long Island.
Sorry.
We didn't really have
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah. So is it concerning to you at all that 1999 Billy and 1999 Pat look like they are very similar and could be related or brothers?
No, because we kind of look like that now, and we've gotten it enough from y'all and people in real life that I'm like, this is it.
We just love to date ourselves.
Okay, before this gets awkward, let's just end the video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, good. I'm sorry.
Sweatpants. Sweatpants.